Okay, so I'm Ethan, and this is my social media and its effects on teens. So understanding the topic, social media has become a growing platform for sharing and creating content. Social media has also become a debatable topic in several ways. Many parents argue that social media can devastate their child's health and overall mental state, and we'll be able to look at different ways that this can happen and why. My proposition is social media can be a deadly tool and should be regulated by parents, or parents should decide if their teens can control themselves with their social media use. So like, if you have the discipline to be able to stop yourself from all these different things that can happen. 55% of teens say they spend just the right amount of time on these apps, while 36% say they spend too much time on the apps. So if 36% say they spend that much time on the app, then they have a higher chance of getting addicted to it. This is why teens should start thinking about social media as becoming a problem, because social media can lead to different things, such as it affecting your sleep. So a survey concluded a total of 72 people, teens, so about 86.7% reported screen use in bed, though just 34 or 41% admitted it affected their sleep. So this type of thing can lead to grades becoming an issue, or your overall happiness. Being able to stay up late can really hurt yourself, and parents should be able to look at this and address it. Should teens even be able to access social media? Social media can be a great tool to keep in touch with friends and family, and even encourage or motivate oneself. So like TikTok can be a great tool to be able to look at different motivations and different ways to get you in the gym or looking at different stuff. My conclusion is social media can be used to be good, to make friends, keep in touch, find motivation, and entertainment. But when this is taken too far, it can hurt teens' mental state. Finding out and identifying when this becomes a problem is very evident, because social media can cause someone to fall into depression. And that's one of the big topics that everybody talks about is, can social media cause depression, and it has led to suicide and cyberbullying. So it's just about your teen being able to look at these different aspects and be able to find out if this is real or not, because you don't want them thinking that what they see on social media is true and all the words that people use, because it can really, some people don't really mean it, and it can hurt somebody. So, yep, this is my works cited page, and yeah, thank you for watching.